You know what you're doing?
Dude, I don't know.
I got it for him twice already.
Oh, there it goes.
Do you need some assistance? Sir, do you need?
Excuse me.
Starts at 10:30. Help me, please. Please. I'm in trouble.
He's in trouble. Egmont Key Invasion. We are here. It's a beautiful morning. The weather's perfect. The water's perfect. Being stalked. It's gonna be one of those kind of days. Damn! Shut that dog up!
Red, come here. Red. Hey, Red, come here. Say hi. Say hi.
Lick it! Hey, killer!
It's popping out, bro.
Good morning, you ready? Double salute.
Ready, man. It's go time.
What you doing over here, Tad?
She's over here trying to rob me. So I decided that it'd be best if I helped her sell her shirts. Free shirts!
Excuse me, sir.
Oh!
Almost got you. Almost.
This guy's got me again.
Is that Sam?
No.
You grounded? Hey!
Pretend like you're filming.
This is me filming you. Me filming you.
DJ AV Money in that house. What's going on, Randy?
So, Tone, the bathrooms are where?
Right over there.
Right over here.
Yeah.
All right, so Tone and I are gonna have a bonding moment.
We're about to go together.
A fight! Fight already. Nick's right there.
No, the other one.
What other one?
Good looking one.
Oh, he's right here. I'm here. I'm right here. Egmont Key Invasion is officially underway. Everybody's launching. It's beautiful, bringing so many people together that enjoy the same sport. And let me show you, everybody's beaching over here. Everybody getting ready. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Good morning, my brother. It's gonna be a great day, great ride.
Welcome to Egmont Key.
Lick it!
Eat it.
Guys, we officially made it to Egmont Key. Left Passage Key, went out to the Skyway Bridge. June, what do you think about the Skyway Bridge, man?
Skyway Bridge was crazy. There was a lot of jet skis all over the place. Man, I bet everybody on the Skyway saw us and literally
Crazy.
was just like jam-packed on the Skyway.
What is going on down there? Tone, Skyway Bridge, Predator was out there riding. What'd you think about so far the ride? What do you think?
It's beautiful. We turned out 402 skis total count.
402 skis.
We couldn't do it without y'all guys. Wow. Your guys
Yes.
are the key, the heart of Florida ski riders.
Absolutely, I can't.
We love y'all, and we can't wait for more invasions like this. Miami run coming up.
Miami's coming.
Yes, sir.
13th, baby.
Let's
April
do it.
13th.
Guys, without you, we're nothing.
Yes.
Until next time, let's go, guys.
Peace out.